My video is about removing Ro04.biz pop-up windows, which are fake human verification alerts. They tell you to click on the Allow button to confirm that you are not a robot. The reality is that clicking on this Allow button would immediately hijack your browser, and periodically you may start getting a lot of strange ads popping up in random parts of your screen. And of course, this will create a mess on your desktop. You'll be fed up to permanently close these pop-up ads. They will distract you from other important things to do online. And in the light of these facts, I strongly urge you not to click on that Allow button. For instance, if the Allow button is clicked, the browser may start opening new tabs and redirecting to a lot of suspicious pages on the web, such as adware installers, misleading software updates that lead to malware intrusion, and other deceptive websites. If you have clicked on Allow button, your browser is now hijacked, as I said, but it can be easily fixed. For this purpose, access the menu of your browser, go to the settings, scroll down to site settings and select notifications. At this point, research the Allow area, and when you find any deceptive sites here, get rid of them all completely from this list. My final recommendation is that you perform additional checkup of your Mac computer with the reliable antivirus, for instance with Combo Cleaner antivirus for Mac. You may get it on the page combocleaner.com. So after the application is downloaded, click on Start Combo Scan and let the program perform the complete investigation of your Mac computer. This is the end of scanning by Combo Cleaner Antivirus. The program at the end of scan will show you the detailed report with the number of threads that were found. You may go to the antivirus section and click on Review Results. So this will show you the exact location of all threads that were revealed during the scanning. You may go to some specific thread, click on this icon that says Show in Finder, and so the program will bring you to the exact location of each specific thread. Then you may right-click on it and move it to the trash. So this is the manual and free way to get rid of all these threads. And of course, I recommend that you perform the automatic removal with the premium version of Combo Cleaner Antivirus.